How we doing today? How we feeling, YouTube? I got another trade recap video for you guys. I'm gonna basically show you guys how I was able to make around $800 today. $600 on one account and $200 on the other account. Combined total around like $900 that I made today. Um, I'm gonna show you guys a trade execution. I was using my second model today. Uh, Basically for value gaps continuations because as you see, the market had just been giving us shorts and I've just been trying to follow the trend. I have not been trying to force any longs. I've not been trying to give myself any type of reason to go against the trend. I've just been following the trend and I've been taking the trade that is giving me basically the system. Like I wasn't gonna go the inverse for value gap liquidity model because I was watching the volume of price this morning, and as I'm watching price, I'm looking at it. I'm like, damn, why aren't buyers stepping in? So as I'm analyzing, I'm gonna basically explain to you guys the reason why I went for shorts, the reason why I did not go for longs, even though I could have seen a long present itself. And I'm gonna basically show you guys how to just go quick into your trades and just get a piece of the pie. Um, yeah, I did risk a little bit more than I usually would, but the main reason for that was because I entered a little bit late, and also because I targeted a 1-to-1 for this trade because my stop loss, because I didn't see any inverse or value gap, and also because the price just ran out without me. So I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to present this trade. Okay, so like this is really a simple ass trade. Going into the day, going into the day, as you see, we have been doing nothing but selling off, right? There was no S&T that was created. Let me move this for y'all. There was no S&T that was created. Nothing was created. We're just selling. Sellers are stepping in the market, which is why I put this little curve line because as we see, we're moving up, and then as soon as we move up, we're now shifting the trajectory of the market, and we are now moving in a complete downtrend. Okay. All right. Great. Let me turn off my brightness. Okay. So boom. Price is giving strong conviction that we're moving down. We had this let me show you. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We broke above this and then look what happened. We created another lower low, another lower high, and then another lower low. We're just distributing lower. So I had my sell side liquidity inefficiencies all here. Sell side right here, sell side right here, sell side right here. All areas that price would take. I had honestly, I didn't have this initial zone as sell side until I looked on the 15-minute time frame to see what price is really targeting because no way in hell its price is targeting down here. Ain't no way. And it's not going to hit today. So I wanted my piece of the pie and I went for a simple trade. So boom, I marked out multiple gaps, turtle soup up here, another turtle soup up here with two session highs, a break of structure, and another turtle soup over here. But as I saw, we created this swing high and this swing low in price, right? So we created this swing high, swing low, and this is usually how I trade. So once price, I wanted to wait for price to disrespect this premium, this discounted fair value gap, this discounted bearish fair value gap, and tap into the premium bearish fair value gap because now that's giving me candle confirmation that price is looking to displace lower. We tapped right into, as you clearly could see, the 50% mark, which is like the consequent encroachment, and we immediately distributed lower. I entered off this candle right here. I entered off this candle right here. Damn, I didn't even realize. My fault. I didn't even know. But it was probably this candle right here that I entered off of. Once I entered off this candle, I let the trade do what I had to do. I let it play. We had some slight movement to the upside, then immediately distributed lower. Very fast, very efficient, and I went break even right here. Very fast, very efficient trade. It was so calm and so quick. The trade was so quick. It took, what is this, like 6 minutes. 6 minutes for TP just to be hit. 6 minutes. I patiently waited. I saw we had a bunch of low resistance liquidity. As you see here, there's not one bullish fair value gap in sight. Not on the 3 minute, not on the 5 minute, and clearly not on the 15 minute. There was not one bullish fair value gap in sight. So that's how I knew this trade was high probability Because if you don't see not one fair value gap, not on the 30-second, the 1 minute, the 3 minute, or even the 5 minute, price has no reason not to distribute lower. No reason. Now, as you see, we're clearly moving up. Um, if we could disrespect this bullish for value gap, then I have no. If we could disrespect this bearish for value gap, then I have no reason to go against the trend. I could potentially be looking for longs. Not right now, not today. I got my piece of the pie, but I'm saying, in terms of if I weren't able to catch this first move, I would have probably caught the other move, this move that's occurring right now, because this probably would align with my second setup. So as you see here, this was honestly the trade. This was really just an A+ setup trade, because I'm following the trend. I'm not forcing anything. I'm not forcing longs in a bearish market. As you see, trend line is literally signaling that we're moving and distributing lower on the 3 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, the 1 minute, and the 2 hour. The 2 hour. And not only the 2 hour, now the 4 hour. You cannot tell me you wouldn't see this trade today. Can't tell me that. So I was able to get a quick little trade, a little 1-to-1. I guess I'm a 1-to-1 lover now, because I usually don't go for 1-to-1s, but the main reason I did was mainly because I did not want to enter immediately off the 5 minute, because I needed more candle confirmation. And I feel like if I entered off the 5 minute, that's me going against my rules, because that's not me waiting patiently for at least 2 candle closes before I immediately enter, or just waiting for a price to give me a signal that we're distributing lower. But the main reason I had strong conviction in this strategy is because not one, you don't even see it, my brother. You do not see one fair value gap in sight. And if you don't see no fair value gaps on the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, price has no reason not to distribute lower. Buyers are weak. You look on the 3 minute time frame, buyers are clearly weak. Look at the wicks. Buyers are clearly weak. I tried to look at volume, but I wasn't able to really look at the volume. But I won this trade. We're close to passing our evaluation, which is very good. We're moving at a good pace, and we're going to continue to progress day in, day out. We're not going to force trades. We're not going to force setups. We're just going to move at the market's pace and do what we can to pass this evaluation. November price action it's been okay, but I'm not going to gas November price action. I've had good days before. I've had bad days before. So I'm just trying to stay consistent. That's all that I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to stay consistent. I'm not trying to get too happy about any of these trades that I'm winning. I believe in my system. I believe in my strategy. I'm just trying to progress. So this was a 1-to-1 trade, little calm trade, very simple, very fast, very efficient, very easy. If I could do it, you could do it too. Trust me, I'm no better than you, and I will say that in every video, because I really am. I'm really not no better than you. I'm no better than you, and I believe that you could do this too. So hopefully next week price action is looking good. I'm most likely just going to go straight to the gym. No more trades for the day. I'm not going to trade off FOMO. Not going to give my money back to the market. I've been doing that enough. So yeah, I'm most likely going to close charts after this, do what I can, and just enjoy the rest of my day. Finish up any assignments that I got left, and I got a little class that I got to go to at 3 o'clock. So yeah, hopefully you guys had a blessed day today. Hopefully you guys are taking care of your family, staying safe. God bless always. Actually, let me read this is it's a scripture that I was reading today on patience, because that's something that I know I lack a little bit. So I'm gonna read it. It's actually Romans chapter 5 verse 3-5. So I'm gonna read it to you real quick. You might not understand it, because I didn't really understand it at first, but just look it up, trust. So it says, Romans chapter 5 verse 3-5, and not only that, but we also glory in tribulations, knowing that tribulation produces perseverance, and perseverance, character, and character, hope. Now, hope does not disappoint, because the love of God has been poured out in our hearts by the Holy Spirit who is given to us. I'm spitting game right here, yo. You don't even know for real. But it's cool. Just be patient and wait for your setup to present itself. I did miss an opportunity this morning. I had an even better opportunity that I didn't even acknowledge at first. It was on a 3 minute time frame. I didn't really notice it because I was coming from brushing my teeth, coming from the shower. But we had a 3 minute inverse for value gap right here, candle close, with the SMT on ES and MNQ. ES took this high, MNQ failed to. We had a 3-minute. We could have caught an even better trade. We could have caught this first move and probably been done for the day. But I wanted to wait patiently because we also had the from all this displacement and we tapped into liquidity. Ain't no way we're not gonna displace back. So yeah, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy your day. Hopefully you guys do enjoy your days. Always have a blessed day and tell yourself you're gonna have a good day. And I promise you, you're gonna start having good days. And yeah, take care, guys, and just enjoy the rest of your day always.